Hi friends, welcome back to myxlmaster. Hope you have seen my previous two assignments. If not, then please go and check these assignments. In first assignment, I have given a solution to extract a particular data from whole Excel file. And in second assignment, that is regarding sales incentive. Based on the total sales, we have to calculate the exact incentive amount. Today, I am going to give this assignment based on the school performance. As shown in the screen, we have attendance sheet where student name, school name, and the particular student has attended the exam or not, and the score and the result. This is our input sheet. In this table, the task is first column is total student count. In this column, we need to count the student of a particular school. Second column is number of students attended the exam. In this column, you need to count how many students has attended the exam of a particular school. Third one, you need to calculate the percentage of total student attended based on total student count. You can also use a conditional format here. In this column, you need to count how many students has passed this exam, and you need to calculate the percentage, pass percentage, based on the total count. In this column, you need to count how many students has scored 70 and above. Here you need to take the percentage of this count. In this column, if a school attendance is 100% and pass percentage is above 50%, then condition have to come as yes, otherwise no. In this column, you need to calculate the points from this given table. If attendance is 100% and pass percentage is 50% and above, then it will come as yes, otherwise no. If it's yes, then top score percentage you need to calculate from this. If the percentage is 0, then point will be come as 2, less than 20, 4, likewise. In the same way, you need to prepare this table and give a conditional formatting if the exam attendance percentage is equal to 100. In the same way, you need to calculate this also. Please download this file from the link given in the description box and complete this assignment before 8 p.m. of 22nd October. I will publish the solution for this assignment on 23rd October 10 a.m. Send me your assignment file to the mail ID given in the description box along with your name, photo and city. Thank you and all the best.